Listen to me guys. Posible kaya na kaya walang power ang prayer natin kasi minsanan lang natin gawin? Hindi frequent, hindi madalas. Kung kailan lang may pagsubok, doon lang tayo nagpupuri. Kung kailan lang tayo may pangangailangan, doon lang tayo nananalangin. Mga kapatid, ang prayer hindi lang pang emergency. Ang praising the Lord hindi lang din pang emergency. Hindi ka lang nagpupuri sa ating Panginoon at humihingi ka ng blessing dahil wala kang pambayad sa ospital o wala kang pantuition. Araw-araw, dapat tayo nagpupuri sa ating Panginoon. Mga kapatid, let me tell you this. Alam ko mahirap ang pinagdadaanan natin. Mahirap ang circumstance natin. I understand that. We all go through that. Pero let me just encourage you. Hindi mahirap maghanap ng pwedeng ipagpasalamat sa Panginoon. Hindi mahirap. Buksan mo lang yung mata mo. Meron na kagad na nakakakita ka pa. Look at Job. He lost literally everything. Anong ginawa ni Job after? Shaved his head and worship God. Bakit? Para kay Job, even though I don't have it, I will praise the Lord. I want to encourage you, church, every circumstance, even when I have nothing, even walang pera, even may sakit, even may trouble, I will choose to worship and praise the Lord, for He is good forever.